Welcome to Untold English Vocab.
Today we are going to explore the names of common tools and equipment used in the kitchen.
What is this called?
Apron. Baking sheet. Blender.
What is this called?
Broiler. Cabinet. Can opener.
What is this called?
Chopping board. Colander. Cookbook.
What is this called?
Cooktop. Cutlery. Dishwasher.
What is this called?
Drawer. Egg beater. Frying pan.
What is this called?
Grater. Grill. Juicer.
What is this called?
Kettle. Knife. Ladle.
What is this called?
Microwave. Mixer. Mug.
What is this called?
Oven. Peeler. Plate.
What is this called?
Pot. Pressure cooker. Refrigerator.
What is this called?
Rolling pin. Saucepan. Sieve.
What is this called?
Sink. Skillet. Spatula.
What is this called?
Spoon. Steamer. Stirring spoon.
What is this called?
Stove. Strainer. Tablecloth.
What is this called?
Teapot. Tongs. Toaster.
What is this called?
Tray. Whisk. Wooden spoon.
What is this called?
Zester. Ziploc bag. Pizza cutter.
What is this called?
Baster. Biscuit cutter. Bottle opener.
What is this called?
Bread knife. Butter dish. Cake stand.
What is this called?
Casserole dish. Cheese knife. Chopper.
What is this called?
Cling film. Coffee grinder. Coffee maker.
What is this called?
Cookie cutter. Cooling rack. Corn holder.
What is this called?
Creamer. Crate pan. Deep fryer.
What is this called?
Dough scraper. Dutch oven. Egg cup.
What is this called?
Espresso machine. Food processor. Garlic press.
What is this called?
Ice cream scoop. Ice cube tray. Jelly mold.
What is this called?
Kitchen scale. Kitchen scissors. Mandolin slicer.
What is this called?
Measuring cup. Measuring spoon. Meat mallet.
What is this called?
Meat thermometer. Mortar. Pestle.
What is this called?
Nutcracker. Oil sprayer. Pastry brush.
What is this called?
Popover pan. Ramekin. Rice cooker.
What is this called?
Rolling mat. Salt shaker. Salsa bowl.
What is this called?
Sugar bowl. Waffle maker. Lemon squeezer.
What is this called?
Masher. Trivet.
Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more exciting content coming your way.